So here we are back with the AEG Lavamat Turbo. You can see the model number there, and yep, 7 years old, and we now have a far more serious problem of a lot of noise when it's spinning, and even when I turn the drum by hand, if you have a listen, you can feel the roughness. So looks like the bearings have failed after 7 years, so pretty disappointed with that. Went on to AEG parts listing and was surprised to see that the bearings weren't listed separately, and then of course realised that these are sealed drums. They are made in halves and then bonded together, so you have to replace the complete drum assembly, which means stripping the machine completely to pieces, and if you're going to do that, you may well have to, or it would be advisable to change things like the seal and that sort of thing. Complete drum assembly is about £170 for this model. I've seen videos of other sealed drums being cut in half by people with hacksaws to get to the bearings. So yeah, it's really a question of, do you just replace this with a 200 quid machine? Getting it out of this room is a little tricky as well. It's pretty tight, and it's going to be out of action for a few days whilst I completely strip it to pieces, assuming all goes well, and that's probably an issue as well. But yeah, bearing failure after 7 years, 2 of us in the household. Not particularly impressed with a machine of this level and expense failing after 7 years. So yeah, just a quick update on that. What we decide, I'll let you know. I would love to get it apart, but you've got to think carefully about the costs. New washing machines can be bought for under 200 quid. This is a washer dryer, but we of course don't need it because we've got a separate dryer now. So yes, interesting. Sealed drums, real pain in the backside.